Here is a picture of an animal cell that we've learnt about in past videos. It is a very generic animal cell. They don't all look like this. Most cells are specialised, which means they have become adapted for a particular function. Differentiation is the process where a cell changes to become a specialised cell. Look at this example here. We have an unspecialised cell becoming a sperm cell. Differentiation occurs as an organism develops. In animals, most cells lose their ability to differentiate at an early stage. Plants, however, do not lose this ability. In animals, differentiation is mostly used for repairing and replacing cells. You need to learn about different plant and animal specialised cells. We will start with animal cells. You need to know the function, i.e. what it does, and how it's adapted for this function. What makes it good at its job? Here we have a sperm cell. It is a specialised animal cell. Its function is to get the male DNA to the female DNA to fertilise the egg. It is adapted by having a long tail in order to swim, enzymes in the head to digest through the egg, and finally it has lots of mitochondria to provide lots of energy for its swim. Here is a nerve cell. Its function is to carry electrical signals around the body to allow us to respond to our environment. It's adapted by being long to cover a long distance. It has dendrites to connect to other neurons. And it has myelin sheath to speed up transmission. Here we have muscle cells, muscle tissue. The function is to contract quickly for movement. It is adapted by being long, which gives it space to contract, and have lots of mitochondria to provide energy for its movement. Now let's learn about the specialised plant cells. The first is the root hair cell, and it looks like this. Its function is to absorb water and mineral ions into the plant from the soil. It is adapted by having a large surface area, long hairs that stick out into the soil, this is a xylem cell. Its function is to transport water up the plant. It's adapted by containing no organelles, which makes it hollow so water can travel up, and being shaped like long tubes. Here is a phloem cell. Its function is to transport sugar around the plant. It's adapted by again containing no organelles to make it hollow for sugar to move through it. It also has companion cells to provide energy for the movement of the sugar by active transport. You have now learned about the differentiation and specialised animal and plant cells. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.